find the goggles, sweet goggles. So this is what today's video is about, these goggles. So I know I've been posting on my mom's channel for a while, but you know, it's fine. It's literally fine. Because there's something wrong, malfunctioning with the Scott Size channel. So I am going to vlog on this channel. Hello Radhika Matthew subscribers, if you're watching this, I'm her son, but it's cool currently. So let me close the door. And we're back. Hollow. So I'm going to show you how to make a vending machine of goggles, any size will do, goggles, out of blocks. So that is white, guys. Out of these tins, these lemon tins. Okay, so as you know, these are called mega blocks. So, mega blocks. But we're going to vending machine. Let us get started. You stay in there, okay? Okay. How many? Oh god. Oh! Dude, that hurt. Okay, yes, enough. So you're gonna need this platform. This, okay? You're gonna need a few base plates. See, 3 base plates. You're gonna need 3 base plates and many long ones like this, okay? So line the 3 base plates up and the 3 long ones together. So it should look like that, okay? See. So 3 base plates and 3 long ones, okay? Line them up and connect them like this. See, connect them, okay? You will have the shaft. So build something like, I'll take a while to build it, but you guys don't have to see that stuff. In 3, 2, 1, whoosh! We are gonna need all of this. So you have to, sorry guys, you have to build something like this and just place it in our shaft, you know, like this, so that it's shiftable, like this, okay? And then you take your goggles, put them in here, and say bye. We're gonna need a ton of these and cover the whole thing up. Okay? So just cover it up. Cover it up. Cover it up. Know what I'm saying? Cover it up. So cover it up. Okay. Like this. Now this will be supposed to what's called an expose shaft. So that's not a real word. I made that up. I don't know why. I'm a makeupper. So just cover the whole thing with the roof. You know, like this. So now it should be looking a little something like this. Open from the end, like this from the back, okay? Also, so what's a good iPad stand if you tell me? So, Now we have to make another thing, okay, which will take a short time, maybe 1 minute, but you guys do not have to wait 1 minute, okay? You get the top three, whatever you call it. You get the top seats. You get the top seats, so you don't have to wait. I'll just time travel to my future self, maybe like 1 minute. I'll time travel, steal it from him, and get you it, okay? No, brother! Yeah! 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 He's coming! Look at that! Okay, yeah, he's gone in his own time. So we made this right now. My future self made this. So we are just gonna stick it on top of this. Anywhere you like, okay? So it should look like this. Okay. Yeah, and so the next thing you do is you oh no, that's not a break. Yeah. So the next thing you do is you have your vending machine ready. You ask your friend to push on this thing, okay? If you do it correctly, you push on the back. Sunglasses should go on. Okay, no machine. Well guys, this is no electricity involved, all manual and no animation, okay? This is legit. So after you finish wearing this, like after you finish showing these hot boys off, that okay, yeah, I got it from the swag vendor. You wanna get it? You can go there. Now I'm gonna keep it back for other people to try it, okay? So we fold them nicely. Keep it just in here, okay? At this front. Then you take this out from here. You put your hand at the back. You see in the mirror reflection. You can see that I'm putting my hand in the back if you see the mirror reflection. Sorry about the lighting, okay? I can't do anything about the sun. So put your hand, oh my. Okay, as you can see, the thing is starting to pop out now. First it was like this. Then when we push this in, it starts to pop out. We're gonna leave it like this, okay, for now. Okay. And then already turn it back. See where the sun goes. And boom! You've got it. A vending machine made entirely out of blocks. And you can put this back anywhere you want. So here, you can fit it here, you can fit it here. This whenever you want to fix it, you can fix it, okay? I did it here just to make it look more nice, like a machine. So, you guys can make your own thing. Oh yeah, thanks to Mega Blocks. And only one thing left to say, guys. Bye-bye.